Hello viewers, our topic today is quadratic equations. Now let us solve quadratic formula topic. Question number 1, third part. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by the method of completing the square method. We have to solve this using completing the square method. Now find the coefficient of x square. Now this is the coefficient of x square. Now we have to cancel this 4. So in order we have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So we have to divide the entire equation by 4. 4x square by 4 plus 4 root 3 by 4x plus 3 by 4 equal to 0. Now simplify this equation. So this will become x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4. Now we have, now the coefficient of x square value is now 1. Now after this we have to shift the constant term to the other side of this equation. X square plus root 3 into x equal to plus 3 by 4 will become minus 3 by 4, as I am taking this 3 by 4 to the other side of this equal to sign, or taking this 3 by 4 to the right hand side of this equation, whatever be, its sign will change. Now this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. Now a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. There are 3 terms. Here only 2 terms are there. So we have to find the other term. Now this is a square term and this is 2ab term. Now we have to find the value of b square value. Now we have to find the value of b square. So taking this 2ab equal to root 3 into x. So a square is x square. A square is x square means a value is x. So here 2 into the value of a is x into value of b, we have to find this b value. So equal to root 3 into x. Now b equal to root 3 into x divided by this 2x. After taking to the other side of this equation, this will go to the denominator. So this is going to the denominator. So cancel x in the numerator to the x in the denominator. Now the value of b is root 3 by 2. So the value of b is root 3 by 2. Now we have to convert the left hand side term in the form of a plus b the whole square. So a square is x square plus 2ab is root 3 into x plus b square. So b square value is root 3 by 2. While adding the value of b square, b value, we have to subtract the value of b square also. Here I am adding the value of b square. At the same time we have to subtract the value of b square. Then only plus root 3 by 2 the whole square will and minus root 3 by 2 the whole square get cancel each other, and the value of x square plus root 3 x remains the same. So we should not change the values in this equation. So we have to, while adding the value, we have to subtract that value also. This is very important. So equal to this value, this is already given, minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4. First we have to change the coefficient value of x square. After changing the coefficient value, we have to shift this plus 3 by 4 to the other side of this equation. This will become minus 3 by 4. The left side term is x square plus root 3x. This is in the form of a plus b the whole square. But a square is there, 2ab is there. Still we have to find the value of b square. So after finding the value of b square value, we have to add the b square value. At the same time, we have to subtract the b square value because it is not given in the question. So, if we add any term, we have to subtract that term also, then only the equation will not change. X square plus root 3x equal to minus 3 by 4. This plus b square and minus b square will get cancel each other, that is plus root 3 by 2 the whole square and minus root 3 by 2 the whole square will cancel each other. So the value is x square plus root 3x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now this is in the form of a plus b the whole square form. The value of a is x. The value of 2ab is root 3 into x and the value of b is root 3 by 2. Value of b square is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Value of b is root 3 by 2. So this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. So the value of a is x plus b root 3 by 2 the whole square minus this value minus root 3 by 2 the whole square equal to minus 3 by 4. So x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square minus root 3 by 2 the whole square value is root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4. The value of 2 square is 4 equal to minus 3 by 4. So x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square equal to minus 3 by 4. Taking this minus 3 by 4 to the other side of this equation, this will become plus 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4 get cancel each other. So the value is 0. So x plus root 3 by 2 the whole square equal to 0. So x plus root 3 by 2 equal to 0. X equal to this plus root 3 by 2 taking to the other side of this equation will become minus root 3 by 2. So the value of x is minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2.